Parang may bagyo yata pupunta sa atin, no, guys? Sa Visayas area. Parang may bagyo, no? Sa ano, sa summer ba? Or what? O, parang nakita ko lang na aninag ko lang kanina sa ano. Yellow alert ba yan? Ate Adija, can you suggest me a ano, Indonesian song? Sabi niya, think we all same is monsoon season right now. Pero depende kasi sa ano yun eh. O sa amin kasi wala dito, Kois. Sa Luzon kasi walang ulan. O wala kami ulan dito. Dito sa amin ewan ko sa ibang parts ng Luzon, pero sa amin dito sa Laguna, no rain. Yes, Indonesia song. Yeah. Can you can you type down, can you suggest me a Indonesian song so that I can search for it? I wanna learn an Indonesian song. Hope you suggest an easy song. Wala lang, gusto ko lang matuto ng ano. I just want to know an Indonesian song or learn an Indonesian song. Other than is dayang-dayang Indonesian song. Search nga natin. Parang Indonesian song ang dayang-dayang. Filipino talaga siya. Often mistaken Malaysian or Indian song. Is an original Filipino song composed and sung by mysterious singer Hainun Pangilan. Tawi-tawi. Talaga, ang galing So, Filipino song pala talaga ang ano, dayang-dayang. Wow, good to know. Yes, change. Yeah. Can you suggest me and Ate Hadija, Ate Kantik, a Indonesian song? Ay. Ana, thank you, Annalisa, shoutout. Waiting for the sun. Thank you, Madam Annalisa. Madam, thank you. You're welcome. Ayan, salamat. Wala, humabol lang ako, Madam Ana, kasi walang masingitan ng time Very late, pero ano lang siguro ako, hindi pala siguro. Sure yun. Max time siguro natin 1 hour lang. Ma'am C, thank you, Ma'am C. Naka-livestream na rin guys si Kigaw, Ma'am C. Salamat sa mga nagstay lang dyan guys Thank you so much. Thank you.